In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install Mailtrack's free email tracker for Gmail. To get started, open your web browser and go to your Gmail inbox. It is best to do this on a computer because Mailtrack is installed as a Chrome extension. Once your inbox is open, take a moment to confirm you are signed in to the Gmail account where you want the tracking feature to work. The extension connects to the account you are actively using, so being in the right inbox from the beginning helps everything go smoothly. Now you are going to install the extension from the Chrome Web Store. In a new tab, navigate to the Chrome Web Store. From there, search for the extension called Email Tracker by Mailtrack. Make sure you select the official listing since there can be similar tools with nearly identical names. Choosing the correct extension helps ensure it works properly and avoids unnecessary permission requests. When you open the extension page, you will see an option to add it to Chrome. Click the button to add the extension, and Chrome will show a prompt asking you to confirm the installation and review the permissions the extension needs. These permissions allow the tracker to integrate with Gmail so it can display tracking status on messages you send. Approve the prompt so the extension can be installed. After the extension is added, you will be guided to connect it to your Gmail account. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant access and complete the connection. If you have more than one Google account signed in, pay close attention to which account you are authorizing, and select the same account as the inbox you opened earlier. Once the connection is finished, Mailtrack activates automatically in Gmail. At this point, go back to your Gmail tab and refresh the page if needed. When you send emails, you will begin to see Mailtrack's double check marks in your sent items. These check marks indicate the tracking status, and they update when an email is opened, giving you quick confirmation directly inside Gmail. And that is all there is to it.